serious side, we are not done with the G.
Never.
We're not gonna give up on that car. We're not. Just got off of work. First of all, I went to work, went to St. George, drove back, was falling asleep, and now straight off of work, going to California to go buy a trunk. Not any trunk. We are getting a carbon fiber trunk for the G. Told you I was going all out on this car. I got embarrassed too much on YouTube saying kids like you should not be driving cars like that.
What do you mean by that?
Well, guess what, bud? We're back and better. The G's looking better than ever, and it's still not done. Everything's looking unmatched, but you guys know me, I'm capable of just going crazy and having the craziest vision ever. So the G is getting more parts done, but yeah, we are going to Cali right now. We're gonna go pick up this brand new carbon trunk that I've been wanting for the longest. Shout out to the bro right here. I always forget his Instagram name, but I'm gonna put it down in the description. Make sure you guys go get some carbon parts from him. He's probably the cheapest in California, and he's not too far from Vegas too if you guys are locally here. It's probably like 3 hours away, two and a half hours. But yeah, super cool dude. Fitment fits like perfect. I'm not even glazing, like dead ass, it fits hella good. Hopefully the trunk fits good also. Cool thing is it has a cutout for the push button on the trunk and the camera. He makes some without it and with it. Hopefully everything comes out good, and I can't wait. And I already have my OEM trunk posted for sale. I actually have somebody trying to buy it as soon as I get back. That'd be green too, because that's some money back right there. But yeah guys, I'll probably catch up when I'm actually there. Can't wait. I'm excited. Tune coming soon also. I don't know what you guys think. Should I tune it or should I swap the motor? Because it is over 200k miles. I don't know what to do. The motor sounds really healthy. I ain't gonna lie. I just changed the spark plug and the motor sounds good. 200k miles, but it looks like it was babied, or freaking grandpa or grandma had it. You guys seen my video in the beginning. That car was driving super smooth at first, and it still drives smooth right now. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, guys. Regardless how cringe you are, because eventually when it pays out, they do want to be around. Here I am, recording myself and stepping out of my comfort zone to show you guys the process of the G37. I also have another car that I'm buying, so you guys stay tuned for the next video that's coming out, because I'm not spoiling nothing no more. You guys need to stop saying, bro, what is it, and not watching my videos or like it. Stop hating, bitch ass. After what, 3.5 hours of straight driving, we're finally in Lucerne Valley, if that's pronounced the right way. But we're currently in the gas station just waiting. I think that's him in the charger. Oh shit, I'm tired. How you doing, man? What's that? It's light. What do you think of it? How long does it take you to make this, bro?
I don't know.
Did you do this like recently?
Sorry.
No, you're okay. But everything goes?
Yeah.
Here.
Camera. Shutter.
Step hack, yeah. Just this building it too.
Yeesh.
Like the next day was gone. This nigga been going crazy. Yeah, he's like,
No, it's
yeah.
blue. This one. Oh, you gotta take this piece out.
Nigga took it.
still gotta bolt this side in so I can sit more down. So this is the next day of when I installed the carbon trunk. And I did take off the headlights again, as you can see, because they are getting worked on. I honestly put on the headlights in the beginning just to make sure everything lines up, especially because this side I crashed. I did get it pretty centered and pretty good and lined up with the bumper. I do got to push this fender a little bit closer, just like that, so it could close the gap a little. Yeah, so that's getting worked on. And then I did have spare taillights, G37 taillights. I threw those on for the meantime while my other OEM ones, well, these are OEM too, but the ones that came with the G originally are getting worked on also. So my front and tail lights are getting worked on. But I did do one rookie mistake. So I locked all the doors, as you can see. Locked. And my car is dead. My keys are inside the house, but my car is dead. Well, John, why don't you use the key right here? Oh, wait. It's because I don't have one. So now I'm pretty fucked. I don't know how I'm gonna open it. But on the bright side, that car right there is gonna get worked on soon. I'm almost done with this one. So this one did get some parts that came in yesterday. Hope you guys stay tuned. Back to this one. Gonna throw my Conzi back on maybe today or tomorrow. Lights and tail lights should be done by Monday. Can't wait for the outcome. You guys stay tuned and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe like always. All right, guys, so this is a few days later on working on the carbon fiber trunk. So the bolts that originally came with my OEM trunk were these right here, which they're 10 millimeters. The guy that made this carbon fiber trunk, he forgot to give me the bolts, so I had to go buy some 1/4 screw-in bolts, 4 of them. Bought 4, but I had to turn around right now because the ones that I bought was a little too long, and obviously if it's too long it will start cracking from this side. So I had to go replace them, get some shorter ones. They're probably like this long with some spacers too, because if not they'll go straight through the hole. But right now I just bolted everything up until I started hearing a little bit cracking, so everything should be good. Just lining everything up. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this wiring problem right here, all these wires, because I still want to add this part right here, but obviously it's not going to fit like OEM. So I'm gonna have to figure out if I could open these little holes up so we could make that look brand new and not just a mess. But so far, let me show you guys how it looks. I'm not going to close it all the way. Right here it was poking out because of the bolts, but right now it looks like it's more flush. Also with this side right here. And then I ended up putting these right in the center too, the camera and the push button. It was hard to do that because it actually came with some brackets, so I actually broke that off, broke both of them off. I drilled a little hole to it, but I also put some Gorilla Glue so it could hold it in place, and it looks like it's holding up pretty good because it hasn't fell out of place or anything. So yeah.